So in this video, you're going to learn how to set up your original Illustrator document. When you first launch Illustrator, you're going to get presented with this window, and the most important thing to look on here is what type of document you want. And so in this case, I'm creating these set of videos for people who want to laser cut an item, a graphic designed item, and so the type of document you're going to create is actually a print document because laser cutting is similar to printing in the sense of size and resolution is important and is similar between the two. So I'm going to pick print document, and then in thinking about what type of document you're going to print out, a lot of it will depend on the size, the dimensions of your document. So you might, for example, cut something that is 12 by 12, which would be a 12-inch square. In this case, I'm going to do that as my example. If you were doing something like an 8.5 by 11, you would just change those numbers here, 8.5 by 11. In my case, I will make a 12 by 12 inch document, and I'm going to call it laser cut sample for now. Alright, and I'm just going to hit OK. Once I do that, you'll get presented with a window that is just a screen with what is called your artboard. This is my 12-inch by 12-inch artboard. Okay, and there are a couple of things that you'll want to set up with Illustrator up front so that it has really sort of the flavor that you'll need to work with when it comes to doing laser cut projects. So I'm going to go up to Illustrator at the top, and I'm going to Preferences, and I'm going to go to sorry, it's not Guides and Grids, it is Units and Display Performance. And under this Units and Display Performance, the one thing that I just want to make sure, depends on what you're used to working in. I'm used to working in inches, so under the General, I'm going to make sure that it says inches. And the reason I'm doing that is because when you go to View afterwards and you show rulers, right there, View Show Rulers, it'll give you these guidelines up here across the top as well as all the way over here to the left to say to show how big an object is and to show how big the artboard is. Okay, once you have those two things set up, you are good to go.